Support for the American Business Podcast comes from AnyWare Apps by Kerr Consulting, now Cherry Baker. It is time to digitize and automate your business processes. AnyWare Apps designed for small and mid-sized companies as well as enterprise-level companies to help you digitize and automate your business processes. Today, I'd like to talk about one of the AnyWare apps that's very popular in the US. It is called Nonprofit Management Anywhere. If you are a nonprofit and you like to manage your donations, volunteers, fundraising events, your grants, and other documents for compliance and operational purposes, consider Nonprofit Management Anywhere. It is a completely cloud service. You can start using it today with no need for local installation on your server or on your local laptop and computers. It is user-friendly and it's easy to deploy, and you can start using it today. I have the QR code on the screen. You can scan the QR code and you can learn more about AnyWare apps, including Nonprofit Management Anywhere. Well, there is more. If you'd like to talk to me directly about AnyWare apps, you can just send me an email directly, kevin@kerrconsulting.com. AnyWare apps are modern, they are easy to use, they are affordable, practical, and more importantly, that's designed for you to help you digitize and automate your business processes. Scan the QR code or just send me a direct email, kevin@kerrconsulting.com. Thank you for your support.